We saw I button and end screen in YouTube. That is a very good method to attract views and gain views. So viewers, in this video I'll show you how to set I button and end screen. So viewers, you're watching Tassan's Unique Tech YouTube channel. I'm with you, Tassan. So let's start the video. Hope you will enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like this video, share this video with friends, give your feedbacks about the video in the comment box, and smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.